Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode, I'm going to show you the simplest way how copy Excel worksheets very fast. In order to do that, I have opened my Excel workbook and I have created some spreadsheets. I have sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. And now for the first instance, I'm going to try to copy sheet 1 by going above this sheet and by press and hold the left key of our mouse. As you can see now, you can drag it wherever you want. And after that, we are pressing from our keyboard Control key. And as you can see, the plus sign appears on paper. This means that you can copy and drag it wherever you want. I will drag it at the last of this page. Leave left mouse key. And after that, release the Control key from your keyboard. And as you can see, you have copied the sheet number 1. And now I'm gonna select multiple worksheets and I'm gonna copy them with same method. In order to do that, we are clicking Control key from our keyboard, hold it pressed, and from our mouse key we are selecting with the left click the sheet number 2 and sheet number 3. We are clicking, and after that we are click and hold left mouse key, and as you can see we have multiple papers selected. I'm gonna drop it at the last of this workbook. Once again, we're clicking from our keyboard Control key. We're releasing the mouse button. And after that, we are releasing the Control key. And as you can see, I have copied the multiple selected pages very simply. So this video was like this. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.